Money transfer apps let you transfer cash from person to person, or from entity to entity, quickly, conveniently, cheaply, and securely. They simplify payments and also allow you to use a digital wallet to link your credit card or bank account. You can make electronic transactions and payments with just a few taps on a mobile device. With several money transfer apps that are now outside like PayPal, Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, and many others are very useful in quick online transactions. And so, in this video we will be showing you how you can withdraw money from Robinhood markets and use your money as physical cash. We will be back after the short intro. Robinhood Markets is an American financial services company which enables commission-free trading of stocks, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. Robinhood had 15.9 million monthly active users as of March 2022, and 22.8 million funded accounts. And with this number, you should sure know that it is a great platform, though many have come to criticize the platform. But you have to still know that Robinhood is a very safe and secured platform. It is possible to withdraw money from Robinhood. You may actually make up to 5 withdrawals into your account each working day, which is fantastic. Even more, you are permitted to withdraw up to $50,000 per working day. All you have to do is to make sure you withdraw into the right account. Are you wondering how to do this withdrawal? Well, this is how to withdraw money from Robinhood on your mobile phone. In the bottom right corner of your app, tap the account symbol, then tap on Transfer. Select Transfer to your bank and then choose the bank account you want to send the money to. Enter the sum you want to send to your bank and hit Submit. After this is done, just wait for some time and you will get the cash in your bank account. To withdraw cash in your Android device, follow the steps below. 1. Install the app from Play Store and then launch the app. 2. In the bottom right corner of the app, tap the account symbol and select Transfer to your bank. 3. Select the bank account you want to send money to, enter the amount of money and hit Submit. Once this is done, you'll just have to go to your bank account where you sent the money and withdraw the cash from there. You can also do the withdrawal process on your PC or on your web browser if you don't want to download the app. To know more about withdrawing on your PC, quickly go to the description below and go to the written content provided in the link below. You can also learn how to cancel a Robinhood withdrawal if you made a mistake using that same link. And so, this is the end of this tutorial video, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button and the bell to receive frequent updates from all uploaded videos in this channel.